So what if I told you that reselling is like having money in the bank? Now, before you roll your eyes, let me explain what I mean. Now, most of us understand the idea of putting money in the bank and letting that money earn extra money for us through interest. But I want you to consider something. What did it take to get that money in the bank to begin with? You know, you worked for it for 30, maybe 40 years to put that nest egg in the bank. Well, to get that asset, it took a lot of time, a lot of work, and it just slowly built. Well, reselling takes work too. But what if that work that you do for reselling put $10,000 in the bank? Do you know how much money it would take for you to put in the bank to earn $10,000? That takes about $250,000, $250,000 at 4% interest to earn $10,000. So that's why today I want you to think about reselling just a little bit differently. So let's get into that. Now, when you look at it that way, reselling starts to look a little different, doesn't it? Because what we're really talking about is building something that can produce income. And just like that money in the bank, it didn't happen overnight. You had to build it. So let's look at what it actually takes to build reselling into an income producing asset and why I think that it makes so much sense for retirees. So let's look at some examples here. Let's say you worked your entire life, your whole career, and you've built a $250,000 nest egg. And that asset, let's just for fun, just for figures, you can do that, of course, however you want, but let's just say that it's earning you 4%. At 4% on $250,000, we're talking about an income stream of $10,000, right? And it took you decades to do that. What I want to make sure that you realize is reselling takes work too. You have to, gain the knowledge. You have to learn how to buy. You have to learn how to sell profitably. And it's a learning process that you're going to go through. But once you get that process down, you will rinse and repeat. You will buy right, you will sell right, you will profit right, and it's rinse and repeat. You just do it again. And with reselling, experience is really going to help. The more experience you get with it, the better you're going to be at it. You get to set your own schedules. You will find it after you do this for a little while very enjoyable. At least I do, and many resellers really enjoy this. Now, see, on the job that you had, that you built that nest egg, you may have hated your job. Some of you may not. Some of you may have enjoyed your job. But many people are not happy with their job all of the time. Well, reselling can be different from that. Once you learn reselling and you gain experience in it, you will find that it's basically a treasure hunt. And you will get into the treasure hunting aspect. And you can set your own hours. You go when you want. You come back when you want. And it's very liberating to be able to do that. And when you do make those finds, it's thrilling. It is absolutely thrilling. But another thing, you'll find purpose in it, of getting up, going out, and investigating, looking for those right opportunities. So when you talk about reselling and you're selling on eBay or other platforms, wherever, that $10,000, that turns into what, $830 a month? Would that help you? Is that a helpful thing? See, many people don't have that money in the bank. And starting from day one in reselling, you can start creating sales right away. It doesn't take long at all to get that money rolling, and all of a sudden here you are without a nest egg, but you've got the equivalent of a $250,000 nest egg. Bump it up. You're hustling, you're doing well in your reselling business, and you're making $20,000 in profit. Now, some people don't have, $500,000 in the bank. But again, it's the equivalent of having that. It's like somebody saying, here, I'm going to give you $500,000. The trick is you can't touch it, but I'm going to allow you to earn the interest off of it every month. Think about that. Did it take work for somebody to build that 500,000? Yes, it did. Is it going to take work in reselling to make those profits? Yes, but it's a different kind of work. Totally different kind of work. A liberating type of work. It's one that you will enjoy, and many people find purpose in. Now, maybe reselling isn't the equivalent of money in the bank, but I think you can understand now why I say that. You'll put in that work. You will build your knowledge. You'll gain some more experience. And over time, you've built an asset that is paying you back for that work. And now, look, I understand that reselling is not for everyone. I understand that. But there are many opportunities out there. And I talk about some of those different opportunities on this channel. The affiliate marketing in a YouTube channel, a great way to start an income producing asset. And there are plenty of others, guys. There's opportunities all around you. You just have to learn to watch for them. Now, my point today is just don't assume that the only assets that you have in retirement are the ones listed on your bank account. You may be able to produce income producing assets several different ways. Many streams make great river. That's one of my quotes from my ebook that I have on Amazon. And I truly believe that. Create several different small income streams and you're going to see it turn into something. But reselling by itself can easily be the equivalent of $250,000, $500,000 in the bank, earning 4%. Now, I really like to hear from you. If you could build one income producing stream in retirement, what would that be? Leave it in the comments, guys. You know that I read them, and some of my very best videos come directly from the comments from you guys. So until next time, guys, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, Lucy, ready? That's my girl.